Welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I'm making some red snapper fish. I'm gonna roast the red snapper fish. I got 3 red snappers. It's all cleaned and washed with some lemon and vinegar and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm gonna roast them in the oven, and I'm gonna use some broccoli with sweet peppers and saute it in a little bit to go with the fish. Alright, get started. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. My red snapper, I did 3 fresh red snapper I bought. It's all clean and everything. I'm just gonna cut it up a bit. Fish, of course, I cleaned it, I vinegar, lime it, everything. Alright, so what I did, I have my seasonings all in here. I use a half of a tablespoon of paprika. Okay, I use a half a tablespoon of chili. I use a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I use half teaspoon Cajun powder again, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of seasoning salt. I use some ginger powder and some garlic powder. So it's all in here. Right? So what I did, I put all my powders in here, and then I'm just gonna season up my fish. Right? So just put the seasoning in between. So here's my fish. Alright. So I have my roasting pan I'm gonna use. So what I did, I put some wax paper here. And I'm gonna put the fish on the pan, okay? I have some fresh thyme. I washed the thyme. So what I did, let's take a piece of fish. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the fish in the oven, and I'm gonna let it bake for a bit. Alright, I think I could put a little bit more seasoning. So the fish is all ready. I'm going to put it in the oven. While the fish is cooking in the oven, I'm going to do the vegetables. Alright, so the fish is in the oven, and while the fish is in the oven, I'm going to start with getting the stuff together to make my broccoli. Sweet peppers, I have yellow, I have red, and I have a green. I have a tomato and an onion. Alright? So let's get started with the vegetables. So clean and wash, of course. I have 1 onion. So I clean and wash my onion. I have 2 headed broccoli. So I just washed all my broccoli, so it's all washed. 1 tomato. I washed it tonight already. So my sweet peppers, so I have one green pepper. I have a yellow and my red. So I have my pan on the stove and I have it on 8 just to get it started. I have the coconut oil spray. I'll put my onions in first. And then I'll put the carrots. Put 2 teaspoons of butter. I put a pinch of black pepper. Put a little pinch of seasoning salt. I have SAZON. I'll use a package of SAZON. So add my sweet peppers. I have my red, my green, and my yellow. Okay. I have a hot pepper, Scotch bonnet. Okay everyone, so this is my finished product. So I did my 3 red snapper fish in the oven. I baked it for about 45 minutes to an hour. And I sauteed my vegetables on the stove and then I just rested. So this is how it is. Nice and juicy. There you go.